Quality check complete. The fruit is perfect. We have ensured that everything is up to our high standards for the final packaging and shipment to our customers today.
Why did the bubble go to school?
Because it wanted to be a little bit brighter.
That is a really light-hearted way to look at things.
Quality check complete. The fruit is perfect and ready for distribution, so we can now proceed to the next stage of our packaging process for the day.
Why do papayas make such good detectives?
Yeah.
Because they always manage to get to the root of the problem and uncover the truth.
Why do bubbles always get in trouble at the factory?
I have no idea why.
Because they always have a tendency to burst under all that pressure.
Look at the quality control now, everyone. We need to ensure every single piece of fruit meets our high standards before it moves down the assembly line. Look at the quality control now. Everything is being processed to the highest standard to ensure that our customers receive only the best fresh produce available today.
Look at the quality control now. Every single papaya is carefully inspected to ensure it meets our highest standards before it moves on to the packaging line. Look at the quality control now. We need to ensure that every single piece of papaya on this line meets our high standards before moving forward.
Why do bubbles always get into trouble?
Because they are so easy to pop and always burst under pressure, just like these ones floating through the air right now.
Look at the quality control now. It is essential that we maintain these high standards for every single piece of fruit that passes through this line today.
Look at the quality control now. It is absolutely essential that every single piece of fruit is inspected carefully to meet our high standards for the final product.